Hey everybody, let me move my pot. How y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Dongayard? Una pretty? Everything correct? When you hear me ask if everything correct, you know it's a serious thing. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. Old and new subscribers, welcome. Thank you. Thank you all for making it West Indian Lights. Now, it is family size pot of Saturday soup. You saw the prepping? We are going in right now. You saw we washed. I told you about the apple cider vinegar. And you can smell it. A fair chicken foot and a fair chicken neck. Fresh and nice. No raw, nasty smell. So hands are clean. They're always clean. So I'm going to put in with chicken foot. 3 pound of chicken foot, sorry. And a pound of chicken neck. Y'all, that's what we are using today. Family size pot of Saturday soup. Now, I hope you have watched the preparation videos. Carrots in. Yep. And I want you to get right in. Chocho in. Okay, y'all. And I hope you're seeing. Are you in camera, girl? Corns in. Pumpkin in. Okay, y'all. And we'll be moving from right here, right over here, to right over there. Okay, y'all, give them a shot, camera girl. We are gonna pour, you know, hot water as usual, but at this point you need extra water. Kettles, boiled water, right in, camera girl. We're gonna get our soup all started. Okay, you also gonna need lots and lots of boiled water. So we want to get this soup start rolling pretty early. You also gonna throw enough to cover and to more than cover. Are you in, camera girl? Okay, y'all. We're gonna get our flame all notched up. Oh. And yes, we're burning here. Okay. Let me get my fan off, fam. I fix the flame. Okay, we have over here, right over here, camera girl. We have 5 pegs of garlic. Smash it. You know my thing. Anything you find. That's my style. As long as it's clean, right in. Okay, y'all. 5 pegs of garlic. If you're using, if you're doing, smaller pot of soup, it would be 2 or 3, but this is a family size. And all of you who have your family, I mean, know from time to time, it is sort of hectic for you to get going cooking soup. So you know better cook no soup. I know this video will kind of ease some of your problem. Big family, all of that. Family size pot of Saturday soup. So we put in our 5 pegs of garlic. I'm gonna use 2 packs of Maggi soup it up, but I'm only going to use 1. You'll see as I go along, I'll proceed to do the other one, or when I put it in. So I'm putting in a pot of Maggi soup it up just to get a little flavor, because it has a little salt in there, and we're going to let it roll with it. Look at it, y'all. Look at it. So, you realize when I said to you, hot water. If you had just used cold water in this, it would take forever to get your pot start boiling. So this is what it looks like, and we're going to leave it there for another, because as soon as we cover, it's going to start cooking. Okay, y'all? We've got right here some yellow yam. We have got a decent yellow belly sweet potato, but we are not ready to incorporate those as yet. When we are ready, or when we come back, you'll see how we're going to treat it. We're going to give it one last stir, and we're going to leave it to boil another 15 to 20 minutes, and we will be right back.